Hi everyone. I know you are watching these trending animated videos. Because these videos have millions of views. Now you were thinking about how to make these animated videos. So let's get started.
First, open a browser and search Kaiber AI. This is the AI video generation website. Open this site. Make your imagination real. Some demos here. For create visual stories, just click the Create Video button. Began with an image, so now we need an image to create videos, so I open Google to download an image. Now I upload this image. Now click the Continue to Prompt button. I want to create a video, so now we need to select a subject. You can use your custom subject, just type here your own subject. Or you can use any default subject. Now I select a portrait of a main character. Now click the Continue button. Now we need to select a style. You can use any custom style. Or you can use the default style. Now I select 3D render. Now click the Continue to Setting button. And here the edit settings. You can modify video duration, camera movement direction, etc. Now click the Generate button to generate video. Now wait. So guys, finally our visual stories generated are done. If you are a premium user, then you can upscale this video HD to 4K. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon and share with your friends and family.